Hey buddies, we're grilling turkey burgers today. I've got 2 of them going over here on this side of the grill. And I'm gonna get a little oil on top of our potatoes. I've started so we have some veggies. And then also what I'm going to do is get some mushroom here. Some mushroom on our grill today. I had some beautiful baby Bella mushrooms. Look at these beautiful baby Bellas.
Oh, that's so good.
And what we're gonna do is get them going with our potato. Okay? So we get our potato going here. Some mushrooms. And you can use what you have in your house, you know, to make your veggies going. And I think we'll just put some. Let's just cut some onion here, and get that on our grill right here. Okay, just like that. This little piece here needs to be cut a little bit. The little beeping you're hearing is our grill telling me that it is working good. It's up to temperature. All right, so let's put some more veggies here. I need a bigger knife. I'm using too small. So let's get some of this on here. This is some peppers. So we get some color. So if you don't have a grill, you can get a grill pan. These grills are nice, these grills like this, because they are all in one piece. They heat up fast. This is a Brevillle Grill Max, so it's a grill press by Brevillle.
Sear and press.
There we go. Let's get our vegetables going. And let's get some more veggies here.
Sear and press panini too.
It makes paninis too, yeah. So if you watch some of the other videos we make, you can see that we make paninis here in our Carpizzo's kitchen. And this grill press does a really great job of making the paninis. Absolutely great job. So, and I'm gonna cut up I have some cabbage here. Just gonna cut it kind of in here so that it can go right on top, just like this, right on top. I'm going to put the cabbage.
Whoa.
Okay.
That's a pile of vegetables.
And we're going to cook this for a while so we can get everything cooking here. And I think what I'm going to do is add a little salt. I don't know if I don't think I did. And we'll add some oregano here. The other day I used Italian seasoning, a little garlic. And today we'll put some olive oil right on top, just like this, so we can get beautiful olive oil flavor in our veggies. Okay. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do is just put a little squash into here and have it to go at the end of what we're doing. So a little bit of squash, and we'll just cut it up, just cut it right all up. And I'm going to put that as our veggies cook a little bit there. Alrighty, and then what else I'm going to do here, I think we're going to turn these over right now. Let's turn these over and see how they look on the other side. Oh, there we go. Okay. Looking good.
Looking good.
A little salt. And a little oregano. Okay, a little garlic. And this is very, very lean. I'm going to give it just a little olive oil. And then what I'm going to do is put the lid on these, and we're going to let it steam to the end, okay? All right. So there we go. All right, so and I'm just going to take and we're going to cut up this squash. So I have that the squash is going to go in a little bit. I'm not going to put it yet. I'm going to put the squash last when I cover our veggies on that side, okay? All right, so there, we'll keep it right there. We'll move this out of the way. And there we go. Okay, so there we have it. We'll be back and show you how everything is progressing. And we will come back and I'll show you when we cover the veggies, how we mix them up and we go from there. So this is Pete grilling. Look at this. Beautiful patty. Beautiful burger patty smashed down. This is a great way to do a light meal in your kitchen. And always try to be heavy on your veggies. This is Pete out.